Hi everyone, this is Sandy Crane at the Heart, and welcome to the Not Too Shabby Shop subscription box of the month hop. On the first of the month, we have some design team members who are going to be presenting projects showcasing the products that are in this month's box. If you're interested in anything that you see, make sure you visit the Not Too Shabby Shop. There's a link in my description box below. Also, information about the giveaway is in there and how you can go ahead and participate in that giveaway so that you can win a prize. Let's get into what is in the box. So this month, the box is very spring and it's adorable. So the stamp is a 6x8 stamp. This one's called Oh Honey. There is a cute paper pad that goes with this called Sweet Bees. And then there is an ephemera pack right here that matches, as well as a stencil. There also is a second stamp set, which is called Little Hello. It's a hummingbird and floral. And a paper pad called Hummingbird Flutters and matching ephemera. Very, very cute. But today, for our project, we are actually, I'm going to be showing you both projects from both lines. The first is this hummingbird line. I did infinity shakers, and I just think they're adorable and really pretty. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to make infinity shakers today, but we're going to be using the bee line today. So these are the two that I made using the hummingbirds, and really, really cute. So let's get into it. So in order to make this project and get everything out of the way, you're going to need a piece of acetate that measures 5. Let's see, what did I use? Let's see, it measures 6 1/4 by 5. And then you're going to need a piece of paper that measures 5 by 4. Some very strong tape, a card base, A2 size, and of course, your scoring board. So here is the scoring board. So you're going to put your acetate in here, and you are going to score at 1/2 inch all around. All 4 sides are going to be 1/2 inch. And use some muscle because you really want to be able to see those score lines. So if you have very thin acetate, it'll be harder. I made it with very thin acetate, the ones I showed you. This one is a Spellbinders. It's a little bit thicker, and I think it shows the marks a little bit better. Okay, so, all right. So once you've got your lines there, then you're going to go ahead and you're going to fold along those lines that you just scored. And you're going to do that all the way around. And you can buy these infinity shaker sort of already done for you, but I think they're just doing what we're doing. I don't think they're like need anything special. Sorry for the crinkling, but it's acetate. So you're going to go ahead and all 4 sides, you're going to go ahead and you're going to fold it. So once you've done that, you'll see that there is a square there, and we're going to cut that square out, but we're going to kind of miter it. So we're going to come over just a little bit to the side of the score line. Like that. So you're going to do that in all 4 sides. You see that right there. So all 4 sides are going to do just that. And this is an easy project, but you know, it's a good way to save money if you don't want to buy those pouches. They're pretty expensive, and you can buy some acetate or use acetate you have in your stash, and you can make these. Okay, so you've done that, and then we've got our paper. So what you're going to do is see if you want to decorate your paper first. And I am going to do a little bit of decorating. So I don't like to do too much decorating. I don't want my shaker bits to kind of get stuck on, you know, on the stuff I put in it. So make sure you glue it down really well. So I'm going to put some, and I think that's all I'm going to put on the inside. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to put it on the inside, and you're going to take your score tape or strong adhesive, and you're going to put it on the inside of your flaps on all 4 sides. Now, it doesn't matter which one you keep open. I prefer to keep the top open. I just think that's easier for me. So once you have your 4 sides with your adhesive, then you're going to make sure that that's the front. Okay, so now we want to leave that top one. We want to leave, we want to not seal that. Okay, so because you need a place to put your stuff. Okay. And okay, so now we've got this, and so all we have to do is put our shaker bits in it. So I am going to be using, I couldn't find, I was looking around for all my shaker bits, and this is the only one that I could find that was bee. I feel like making my own bees. But this is Honeybee Buzz. I've had it forever. And so you're just going to pour that, whatever your shaker bits are, you're going to pour that down the hatch. So I feel like that's good enough, because we'll have, okay, so there that is. And let's see, I've got some more, got these like, okay, so I think we're good. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to seal it. Okay, and there we go. And we have our infinity shaker. So now we can just decorate the front. And so I've got this little guy right here, and am I going to use this bigger bee? I think we're going to use the littler one. I think I like the littler one. So to do it off the front, I prefer to use score tape when I'm working with acetate. That's just my preference. You also could, if you wanted to, put this on foam tape. But I feel like it's already like pretty dimensional. So for me, it's just, I prefer to keep it flat. But these are so, so cute. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. So we're going to go ahead and put this little girl right there. And we're going to put our little accompanying bee right there. Now we have our card front. So I made it so it's a little bit smaller. I've done it where they are the exact same size as the card front. I made it a little bit smaller because I like the little bit of the frame around it, but that's just my preference. So go ahead and use your score tape to adhere it, because it's a little bit kind of wonky, and I don't know, I just feel like it's more secure with some strong tape. Okay. All right, so once you've done that, we're going to take this off, and let's see here. All right, So go ahead and center it and press down on all your edges so it's there. And then let's see, my paper, I think I've got like I've got this little strip. So on the inside, I already stamped, oh honey, you are beautiful. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this little scrap strip that we have on the inside to decorate. Okay, so here's the inside. Oh, honey, you are beautiful. And then here is our infinity. Whoa, get it going here. Our infinity shaker. So isn't that fun? So really easy to make. I hope that you guys visit everyone else on the hop and get some good ideas, and maybe pick up this really, really cute box at the Not Too Shabby shop. Thank you so much for watching.